Several key factors must be considered when selecting a first aid training provider. A good provider should offer high quality training that meets regulatory standards, delivers practical and engaging content, and is led by experienced trainers. Here are some of the most important aspects to look for. The provider should offer trade body or Ofqual regulated first aid qualifications, both of which ProTrainings offer. These are nationally recognised and meet strict compliance standards. Alternatively, courses should be approved by relevant trade bodies or voluntary sector organisations, VSOs, such as St John's Ambulance, British Red Cross or industry traded bodies. Employers should also check that certification lasts for 3 years in line with HSE guidelines and that refresher training is available. It's not just the qualification you need, the trainer's qualifications are also vital to check. First aid trainers should be qualified in both first aid and teaching. They must have at least a valid in-date first aid at work qualification. Instructors should hold a recognised first aid instructor qualification and a regulated teacher qualification such as the Award of Education and Training or AET or a higher level. Trainers should have a real-world experience and deliver first aid training in emergency settings. And finally, they must have a current and accurate portfolio of evidence. All ProTrainings instructors have these. Now that we've looked at the qualifications and the instructor, the course content and compliance must also be correct. The course must include both theoretical knowledge and hands-on practical training. It should be aligned with the HSE guidelines and cover the essential topics, and for high-risk workplaces, training should cover trauma first aid, catastrophic bleeding control and specialist workplace risks. A quality provider focuses on hands-on learning rather than just classroom-based theory. Training should involve real-life scenarios, practical simulations and the use of first aid equipment. Learners should be assessed on their practical skills to ensure they can apply what they've learned in an emergency. Employers also need to read reviews, ask for recommendations and check for transparent pricing and policies. Taking the time to select the right provider ensures first aiders receive the highest standard of training, making workplaces safer for everyone.